I cannot imagine a better student, with a better outcome. It's someone that has a big heart, comes in to help not just myself as instructor, but the entire classes. And out there, not just herself, but also improves the entire community.
Early in my career, I worked with vulnerable women, and it has become clear to me that providing resources and not just providing housing can build futures and break cycles. And I told myself that this is the impact that I want to be part of, and it's what keeps me going.
I'm a property manager at the YWCA, and I'm working closely with vulnerable women who are fleeing intimate partner violence and who are seeking long-term housing.
What inspires me to take this path that I am on is to create transformational outcomes, especially in the areas of housing and support services. I am the type of person who just really loves helping people and is very passionate about it. And it's really amazing to build positive connections, creating these safe spaces wherein women and their families and gender diverse people can just feel supported and connected.
Whether it's sharing ideas, whether it's using her ideas in presentations, it's evident that not only does she have warm heart and happy to help everyone, but also professional knowledge and experience. And then throughout the project management course, it was evident that she was applying learning at the same time. In VCC, we want to emphasize real learning, real change. So this is a perfect example where she's actually making a change, not for her own community back home, but actually the community here, now she calls home. So it's impressive that she's taking, hopefully, a lot of project management knowledge into the nonprofit housing sector to help people find better housing, better living that has a long-lasting impact in everyone's daily life.
VCC helped set me up for success for providing both the theoretical foundations and practical skills that I needed to thrive as a property manager. The post-degree diploma in business and project management has equipped me with these practical tools that I use every day. And looking back, I'm just really grateful that I took this program. One of my fondest memories was during the international peer community. So I was one of the first peer mentors, and I had a team of 6 mentees. So the main goal was to help new international students adjust their life at VCC. We were there to help them feel welcome, connected, and supported. Moving to a different country is not for the faint of heart, and living your comfort zone is so hard. So my advice is to just always go back to your why. Why are you here in Canada?
I hope that she can inspire all the current and future students. This is the kind of changes we want to see as instructors and also VCC. I had a great experience working with her and actually not teaching her, but learning from her.